Alright guys, today we're going to make an Irish dish meant for a clay pot. We're going to use the tagine for it. What you're going to need is 2 onions, 4 pieces of bacon, a pack of pork sausage, some vegetable stock, pepper, salt, and ground sage, a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm going to show you what to do. We're going to cut up our onions first. So it did snow all day long, but this morning when I took you guys out on the road, it was really coming down, and then it lightened up and snowed all day, but it wasn't amounting to anything. So it was kind of, you know, wasn't terrible. And me and Craig hung out. We were all by ourselves today pretty much. A couple of people walked in, but not, you know, as many as usual. Like Wednesday was a crazy busy day. People were walking in, buying stuff. It was non-stop on Wednesday. Interesting. But I'm sure the weather kept people away. A lot of people, but I saw a lot of people heading for the food store when I came home from Craig's. So everybody's got the same idea. But like I said, we're going to cook this today because I want to do a podcast tomorrow. I want to be able to shovel out if I have to. We'll see what happens. But the actual storm isn't coming in till 7 o'clock tonight. This was actually a clipper that came across the country, and it's dropping a little snow. But the what do you call it? The nor'easter won't be here till about 7 tonight. Alright, first thing we're going to do is cook our bacon. Okay, so let the bacon go for a little while. Then you're going to throw your onions in. Alright, when your onions are soft, you want to take this out of the pan and put it in a bowl and save it for a little while we do the next step. Meanwhile, I'm going to take a little bit of garlic powder and mix it into my bacon and onion. Okay, when these are brown enough for you, take them out, put them in a bowl, like this, and put them aside. And I'll come back and show you what we're going to do next. Alright, so I can't find my potato peeler, so I have to peel potatoes the way my mother does it. My least favorite way. It takes so much longer doing it with a knife. I don't know. Right after they're peeled, you're going to cut them into nice little slices, nice thin slices. Alright, here's our tagine. What you're going to do is either spray or paint it, cover it with a little, coat it with a little oil. Spray it with some oil. What we're going to do is lay our potatoes in here. Like this. So line your pot, whatever kind of pot you're using. It's supposed to be a clay pot, like I said. Line your pot with the potatoes. We're going to cover the potatoes with the onion and bacon, like this. Now you want some salt. Some pepper. Some sage. One and a quarter cup of vegetable stock. And bring back your sausages. And lay them around the top. And that's it. Now, some of that. I'm going to cover our tagine. and put it in a 350 oven for 1 hour. Alright, so I'll be back with you when it's ready and out of the oven. And what do we do while we wait? The dishes. Alright, there's our bubbling hot tagine out of the oven. Let's lift this lid and see what we got. I'm afraid to lift the lid. It weighs too much. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bubbling. Potatoes look like they're really nice and soft. The sausage smells great. It looks really, really good. The only thing I would do different is cook the bacon more before I put it in, because I thought it would really crisp up in the tagine in an hour. But man, does it smell good. So I'm going to dish this up. I'm going to sit down, eat my dinner, while I watch One Bike, One World. I will talk to you all later. Stay safe in this snowstorm.